Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn weird color names in Figma. Here in this site you can go on and learn how to select the weird names for how the weird names were selected for your design colors. And you can add not just the hex codes into your color wheel, also these kinds of names to find the right color for your design. As you can see, I'm adding some kind of weirdos into my design. Where I learned it from Bring Your Own Laptop dance tutorials and videos, and every single day I'm learning some kind of new things. And this was weird and also really fun for me because I didn't know that you can add some kind of names there, because when you're making some hex codes really wrong, it's going really wrong and messing up with your color. But here it didn't do it as you go. And as you see, there are tons of new weird names that you can add. I'm saying constantly weird names, but actually maybe it's not a weird name at all. Maybe it's the names that people are choosing to add to their colors. And actually I loved some of them, which was, I don't remember what. I love it. Anyway, you can do it as well. You can type in any words that is containing this kinds of color name, and you can add it to your design color wheel. I hope you like this video because it's too short, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share your ideas.